Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how you can set up MQTT broker in the Node-RED. So you can use your Node-RED as MQTT broker. Okay, so that thing we are going to cover in this video, that how you can set up the MQTT broker inside the Node-RED. So you don't have to install separate MQTT broker in your system, or you don't have to use any other cloud MQTT broker. Okay, so if you are using Mosquitto broker or HiveMQ broker, EMQX or any other MQTT broker, then instead of those broker you can directly use the MQTT broker inside the Node-RED, and then you can exchange the data. So how you can do that, that thing we are going to see in this video. So if you want to set up the MQTT broker inside the Node-RED, then you have to use this node, okay, Node-RED contrib ADS node, to make your Node-RED work as MQTT broker. You can directly install this node using npm package manager. Also you can copy this and you can search in the manage palette section of the Node-RED, and then also you can install this in the Node-RED. So if I navigate to the Node-RED and if I go to the manage palette, and if you search, okay, Node-RED contrib ADS, then you will find it here. Also you can search in the install section if it is not installed in your Node-RED system, okay, and here you will find it, and then you can install it. And once you install it, you will get one node, okay, which is ADS broker. So this is the node which is useful to create the MQTT broker inside the Node-RED. So you don't have to depend on any other MQTT broker. Okay, so if you have used your Node-RED in the cloud or Raspberry Pi or Windows machine, then you can turn that Windows machine, cloud or Raspberry Pi as MQTT broker directly without installing any external MQTT broker like Mosquitto, HiveMQ or any other broker. Also, if you have used Node-RED in the cloud system like AWS, Azure or Google Cloud, then you can directly use this node to set up the MQTT broker in your Node-RED instance in the cloud, and then you can use that cloud as MQTT broker directly without installing any other external MQTT broker. Okay, so that is possible with the Node-RED. And once you set up the MQTT broker in the Node-RED, then you can use multiple clients to connect with that MQTT broker running inside the Node-RED, and then your all of the client can exchange the data. So that is possible with the Node-RED. So let's see how you can do that. So basically we are going to cover that how to set up Node-RED as a secure MQTT broker with username and password authentication. Also in the same video we are going to cover that how to set up basic MQTT broker, and then after we will see how to set up secure MQTT broker. So here is my Node-RED, okay. I have already installed this package in my Node-RED, and in the connection or network section you will find that node ADS broker. So all you have to do is just drag and drop, okay, and just hit on deploy button. That's it, your broker is up and running. So I'm going to open the MQTT Explorer software, and I'm going to create a new connection which is my Node-RED broker, okay. I'm going to provide the IP address 127.0.0.1 because my Node-RED is running in my local system, and I'm going to provide the default port 1883, and we are connected with the MQTT broker running inside the Node-RED. And here you can see one client is connected. Okay, let me zoom it. Yeah, you can see connected one client, and if I click on the disconnect, then here you can see connected 0 client. So we have successfully set up the basic MQTT broker in the Node-RED. Now if I want to change the MQTT broker port number, then also you can do that with the ADS MQTT broker node. So all you have to do is just double click, open the configuration, and here in the MQTT port just change the port number. So I'm going to change my MQTT broker port number to 9005. And that's it. I can click on done. I can press Ctrl D to deploy my flow, and you can see it's up and running. Now instead of port 1883, I can use 9005. But before that, let me try with 1883. Okay, and if you press connect, then you can see we are not able to connect. So I can use 9005, and we can press on connect, and we are connected with the broker running inside the Node-RED. Now we have already covered that how to set up the basic MQTT broker, how to customize the MQTT broker port number. Now we will see how to set up the secure MQTT broker. So whenever I try to connect with the Node-RED MQTT broker, it doesn't ask for any username and password. I can connect without any username and password security. But we want to set up that username and password security, then how we can do that? So again, you have to go to the Node-RED, okay? You have to open the configuration of this ADS broker node, and then you have to go to the security, and here you can provide the username and password for your MQTT broker. So I'm going to provide the username admin, and I'm going to provide the password is password, so PASSWORD, and then I'm going to rename this node as a Node-RED MQTT broker, and then I'm going to press on done, and then I'm going to press Ctrl D to deploy my flow. Now our Node-RED MQTT broker is running on port 9005. Okay, so if I try to connect, then you can see connection refused, not authorized, because we haven't provided any username and password. So we have to provide the username and password. So the username was admin and the password was password. And if I try to connect, then we are successfully connected. So we have completely set up the secure MQTT broker in the Node-RED. Now if I make any mistake in the password, then we are not able to connect. If I make any mistake, or if I just don't provide the password, then also connection refused, not authorized, we are not able to connect. Okay, so only if you provide the correct password, then only you will be able to connect with your Node-RED MQTT broker. And this node is also support the WebSocket MQTT. Okay, so here you can see WebSocket bind, WebSocket port. I am not sure how to configure it, but we'll create a video in the future that how to configure it. Also, it will support the secure connection. Okay, so SSL TLS connection, you have to provide the certificate and private key to create this secure connection. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So all you have to do is just install this package in your system. Okay, you can directly install it using the command line. So all you have to do is just copy it and just paste it in the command prompt, and then you have to hit enter. So it will install this package in your system, and otherwise you can search for that package in the manage palette section. Okay, in the install section, and here you will have that. Okay, so yeah, Node-RED contrib ADS, and from here you can press install button, and then you can install this package, and you just have to just drag and drop this node into your Node-RED flow editor. You can also get information about your client and more things about your client by using this two terminal. Okay, you can set up the debug node and you can get more information about the client. So I hope this thing is clear. Also, let's see how you can exchange the data. So if I have another MQTT client, okay, which is again MQTT Explorer, if I use new connection, okay, it's my Node-RED, and host is 127.0.0.1, port number 9005. The username is admin and the password is password. Okay, disconnected from server. Why? Because we haven't changed the client ID. So I'm going to add random number here, and then we will try to connect again. Okay, we are connected, and we can now exchange the data between these two clients. So I'm going to publish the data on the test topic, and data is 123. And here we have the data. Okay, so I'm going to use second client, and I'm going to publish some random data on the same topic, which is 456. Okay, and we have the data in our first client. So this is how you can exchange the data by setting up the MQTT broker inside the Node-RED. Now, if you have any questions or any doubt or any concern, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can send me a mail. Also, you can comment on this video. So let's meet in the future videos regarding Node-RED MQTT and some more information. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.